Hi everyone, warmly welcome you on HM Tech Solutions official YouTube channel. Again, I am here with new and interesting video. I'm going to show you all of the basics of handheld metal detector, and we made purely educational and informational videos for you. Now we focus all of the basics of this handheld metal detector. This is Superman, and uh, model is GP-008, and I show you how you can use this handheld metal detector. And at first we open this cover from here, and look, this is the uh, handheld metal detector, and covered in a polythene bag. And here is the metal detector. Here you can see, here is uh, a manual, user manual. Here, look, this is a supervent handheld metal detector, and model is GP-008. At first, at this side here, you can see this is the battery cover. And look, here you will find at this side here, this is on off switch. Look, uh, here is on the uh, alarm mode, and at this side this is vibration mode. And here you can see three lights here. This is indication light, this is battery high low light, and this is power on light. And here is detection phase, this one. And here is for if you are using rechargeable battery inside, this one is for charger. This is charging pin here. And now I show you how you can use this metal detector. Now I open this cover from here. As you can see, push this a little bit and insert the battery here. And this is the positive, and this is the negative of this battery. Positive put at this side, and look, press this. And as you can see, look, this is indication of power on, and this one is for battery low, and this is indication light, the red one. Look, here is a key, and this is now in vibration mode. If you can listen the vibration of this handheld metal detector. Now I push this button, and now this is in, as you can see, look, now this is audio mode. And here is look, here is a hole. This is for sensitivity adjustment. You can adjust the sensitivity of this handheld metal detector according to your requirement. And here is the buzzer inside here. So this is the video of today, and if you like our video, please subscribe our channel, like, share, comment, and must press the bell icon to watch more videos like this, and keep in touch in the future. Keep watching our channel. Till next, Allah Hafiz.